Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you back to Hermes store with my best friend right here, Tina. We just stopped here at Paris Baguette Cafe for some cakes. I highly recommend this store. If you have it in your state, they have really good cakes. For safety, the store wrapped everything individually.
You said you also wanted a cake?
Yes,
Alright, you can choose what.
I want the chocolate cake over here. I usually order birthday cakes here or just for special occasions. The cakes here are not so sweet. And it comes with fresh fruit. And of course, we have to take some pictures before leaving the store. And now we are driving to Hermes. So let's come with us. We'll see you at store. Approaching Hermes store, looking for a parking space. Here we are, there's the parking space. Okay, so here we are at Hermes store, in the front of Hermes store. I already texted him, said that we are already here, but maybe he's still with his customer because we are early. So maybe a few more minutes, we'll come inside. Here is Hermes store from the front. I'll give you a tour around here. Look at Jimmy Choo's store. Wow. And here is other stores that already locked. And here is the other side. Only Hermes. They didn't have any wood ply on because they have a bulletproof glass. Okay, so here I am inside the store. And sanitizer right there. And the mask. Glove. Wow, it is beautiful. Take a look at the shoes. Okay, so you love this? Yeah. So cute.
So, do you want to...
They have a pop-up book here too. Alright, so we left Hermes and on the way home, I don't think I will have enough time to unbox it today. I may do a small unboxing and the big ones I gonna leave under the Christmas tree so I can unbox it on Christmas Eve. So I hope you enjoy the vlog that I did at store today with my friend right here. Here she is. Yes, she also got something, so you can see there 2 bags, one big and one small right there in the back. Yeah, so happy. So super happy today for what I got there. It's not a bag, but yeah, something very interesting. Yeah, so I'm gonna unbox it on Christmas Eve, so I hope you stay tuned for it. And if you did like the vlog today, please give it a thumbs up. Hello everyone again, just a quick unboxing today. I couldn't do the unboxing after the shopping that I made to Hermes with my friend, so I do it today. This is what I'm gonna unbox today. It is a mini unbox for this item right here. All the items that I mentioned in the shopping vlog that I gonna have under Christmas tree, and I gonna unbox it on Christmas. So this thing right here, this is what I got the call for. My SA contacted me and told me that he had this thing for me. I'm super excited. That's why I made the trip there with my friend to get this thing. And I also got other things. It always happens, you know, when you go shopping, you plan to get something, but you usually ended up with more things or other things. Yeah, so let me share with you what I got right here. You probably already guessed what it is in here. It is a thin and long box, so you may know what it is. Of course, it is something small, something very cute in here.
Let me show you what it is in here.
I love it. Oh my goodness. I saw it at the store already, but it is just so cute. It is a bag charm. It is a rodeo in size PM. Very cute. Oh, look at this little horsey. My first time have a rodeo with the contrast stitching, and this is in gold color. So it will be perfect for my bargain. Let me share with you the price and the color combination on this rodeo right here. Okay, so this is the receipt that I got from the store. It is in here, and it is $455 plus tax, and it is rodeo small size Milo lambskin, and it is in gold. It has the mane and the tail in rubies color, and the string right here is in rose purple. This rodeo charm is in smallest size PM or small, and the next size is MM and GM. I love this size because it's just so cute. Now let me share with you how this rodeo charm looks on my bargain. Right now I have the shopping bag charm on and this trolley on. So I'm gonna take these off and hang the rodeo charm on, see how it looks. So here is how it is. Oh my goodness, look at this. It is so cute. It's matched perfectly. Oh, how I love the contrast stitching. The rubies and the rose purple. This matches my top today too. Yeah, what a fall look. So I think I'm gonna look for another trolley for this to match with the rose purple and the rubies right here, because this orange trolley I have on right now, I don't think it's, goes well with the rodeo. Let me show you a close look of it. It has the rubies color for the eyes and the mane and the tail, and rose purple. On the back here and the string, so pretty. I love the stitching, the white stitching on the gold lambskin. Yeah, and it's squishy, it's tiny, very cute. As you already saw in the shopping vlog, my friend also got something. She's just like me, she likes bright colors too. So she got something, I'm gonna show it here so you can see what she got. But the store doesn't have everything that we wanted, so we still have something coming, and we plan to make a trip back next week or so to pick those things up. And of course, those gonna be under the Christmas tree for me. And my friend also get something. I'm gonna have it here on the picture so you can see what she got. Yeah, but for me, I'm gonna do another unboxing video for Christmas. So don't forget to come back to watch that video. It's coming around Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the shopping vlog and the mini unboxing that I did today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I also love to have you join my Facebook and Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and lifestyle. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Bye-bye.